Alright, so here's our problem. Super 7 Godzilla -1 has a tail issue. The tail just keeps popping out. So we're going to try to fix it. Here is a two-way threaded piece, and so I'm going to try to screw this into here. I'm going to drill a hole and screw this in, and then I'm going to cut the head off of this nylon screw, and I'm going to attach it to this ball and then try to screw it into this that will be inside. Gonna see how that works. So I'm gonna make a pilot hole first. Next, I'm gonna boil the plastic to make it softer so I can push this and manually screw it in. It's getting there. Okay, as you can see, it's all the way down in there. Now I'm going to add some glue in there. I'm going to try my favorite glue, black shoe glue. Just going to clean that up. Then we got to cut off this tip, okay, very nicely, and then we'll work that, screw that into the back of Godzilla. I'm going to use a Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel. Be discouraged if it takes a little while. Nylon is tough stuff. That's why we're using it. Now for the moment of truth, and we'll see if we can screw this in here into Godzilla. Okay, so been rotating this around. The nylon is threading in just nicely. Get it in there tight. There you go. Godzilla now is repaired. His tail is not going to fall off, and you can even move it side to side. So there you go. Repaired Super 7 Godzilla.